Alright guys, we got a 2011 GX460 here. Headlight bulb is flickering. So we got a headlight. This one works fine right here. But this one, after a while, it started to act stupid, okay? So we're gonna wait and see how it reacts. After a while, this bulb, if you pay attention to it, there you go. There you go. So we got a bad bulb here, so we're gonna replace this bulb. What we're gonna do is pop the hood open. Okay, where the hell is the hood? Yep, there it is. I'm gonna put the window down. The key's in here. Okay. Come on. Okay, shut this off. So what you want to do is make sure everything is off. Nobody puts that light on because this is a high def bulb and a lot of voltage, almost like 15,000 k volts. So let's pop this open. So under the hood you have this cover here. This cover is missing all the clips. You're gonna have a clip here, clip here, clip here. All you do is you push down on these clips, like this one's fine here. Push in on it and they come off. You need to use a flathead screwdriver, do so, but you push down on them and they pop up, okay? And you can pop the whole cover. Once you pop them all, you can just lift the whole cover with it. And this guy's missing. There's clips all over here, 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 here. Anywhere you see these type of clips, just push them down and remove this cover. We got ourselves a bulb here. So this is the bulb, D4S SC. And let's take a look at this bulb. It is almost like $100 and some bulb. Expensive bulb. You do not want to touch the filament here. The filament is something that you don't want to touch, so you're gonna just hold it like that. So this is the bulb. This is what it looked like, and just don't touch the filament because you will decrease the life of this bulb due to the oil and greasing on your hand. Anyways, let's see how this baby goes. So what we're gonna do is, right here is your bulb is in here behind this cover. So you're gonna grab this little cover and you're gonna turn it. You're gonna grab it from here and put your hands here and turn this cup counterclockwise, and then you just pull it off. This baby comes off. Right in here you got your bulb sitting. So what you want to do is it's gonna be hard for us to see, but if this thing just got out of our way, there it is. And you're gonna grab this little module here. You're gonna do the same thing. Come on, this is freaking, you know what, let me strap tie this so you can get a better view of it. Okay, so I'll put on a strap tie right here, and that gives us a better view. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna grab this guy and you're gonna turn it counterclockwise, and this guy is gonna just simply just come off and just let it sit down here. That's fine. After that, you got this little guy right here. You're gonna come out of the housing there, and same thing over here. Just push them out of the housing. So pretty much you push and pull them. You push and you get them out of the little hook there, and this whole thing should just come off, and there goes your bulb. And one thing I want you to pay attention to is once you take off this bulb is the way it was sitting, okay? There's a small little slot here, okay? That slot has to be in the same spot. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna let this bulb sit over here. We're gonna go grab the new bulb. Okay, we got ourselves a new bulb here. Same thing, that little slot. If you don't know where it goes, just do what I'm about to do right now. You're just gonna get this bulb to sit and you're gonna turn it, okay? You're gonna just turn it and twist it. So it's only gonna snap into one little spot. And then at the same time, you wanna grab this hook, the same hook that you pushed away. You're gonna bring this hook back, okay? It's hard to see. You see this hook? I'm bringing this hook back. And all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this hook to sit right there. There's two of them, one on each side, and this side also, same thing here, and this thing hooks on. And after that, what you want to do is you want to so I just want to explain to you this little guy right here. You see this little guy, the little module that I just put on, that grabs onto that, it goes into these slots, and then it twists on. That's what's gonna happen there. So what you want to do here is you want to twist this on. That's it. That's how simple it is to change this bulb. And you want to take your cover here. Make sure everything just snaps on. This cover is gonna turn, and that's it. And I will remove this strap, but let's pop on the lights and give it a minute, because in about a minute it starts to flicker. There it is. I don't see no difference in either one of the light. This is more brighter, and there it is. Okay, so it's looking good. I'm happy with it, and we're gonna leave it alone. That's how simple it is to change this bulb. Okay, sometimes you will have a different color of this light, so what you do is you just go get another bulb and replace them, make them equal, unless you want to go to a dealer and spend about $700 or $800. Thank you for watching my video. Once you're done, you're going to take this cover and you want to put this cover on, and this cover just simply goes on just like that. Oh, we forgot the strap, so I'm going to cut that strap out. Yeah, never forget things, just put them back the way they were. So this baby comes off. I'm gonna go put my tool back here, but all the trash. We're gonna come back. So the light hasn't flickered yet, so we're good for now. These little clips, I'm gonna show you one, and you're gonna do the same thing for all of them. What you do here is, now to reverse the procedure, you have to bring this clip back out. So all you do is you push this just like that, and it comes out. And once you get this clip in, all you do is you make it flush. Okay, flush. You don't want to push too hard down, then it becomes when it wants to remove. Anyways, that's it.